So this video shows the PID control algorithm on our geared encoder motor alternative design. So here we have an encoder motor from Robot Shop with 1,400 counts per revolution attached to our 3D pump head. The 3D pump head is attached using a motor mount plate. The PID control algorithm is used from the Arduino, connected to the magnetic encoder, and sending a PWM to the H-bridge driver at 6 volts, powering our DC motor. Here we have a reservoir of water being pumped through our motor, and then back out into a scale to measure our weight. Here is a picture of our code. We have pinouts in the setup, and we have a function that will read the encoder, and a PID function algorithm that will take the error and send the appropriate PWM to correct it. Here we have PWM error. If it's a negative error, then it will go clockwise motion, and if it's a positive error, then we'll go counterclockwise motion. So let's show you how this works. There's a little delay set up so we can run this properly. So there's a little overshoot in the system. And that's it. You can see here that it pumped around 3.11, which is alright, but not the best. And again, I'll show you the pump operation.